Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shirkendra. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining me. Today we are doing a seated gentle heart opening flow using a chair. This practice helps open up your chest and your shoulders, releases tension, and invites calm and self-love in your body. We'll be moving through the same 5 poses we did last week, so remember to move at your own pace, show up for yourself, and let's get started. Let's go ahead and have a seat. Come towards the edge of your chair, feet firmly planted on the floor. We place one hand over your heart, the other over your belly. Close your eyes. Let's do a little bit of grounding here before we begin. Take a few deep breaths in and out through your nose. Feel supported by your chair and the earth beneath you. Let your shoulders soften. Let your chest open up. Inhale and exhale. Open your eyes. Inhale your arms up. Lengthen the spine. Open up your chest. Gentle back bend. And exhale, swan dive your arms all the way down. Come forward, hands on your knees. Gently gaze forward, lengthening up your spine, shoulders back, opening up your chest. And exhale, good. Forward fold. Allow your arms to dangle, let your head hang. And lengthening up that entire spine. Feel your body completely open and relaxed here, just letting it all go. Inhale and exhale, good. Slowly walk your hands up your legs, place them on your knees, and slowly come up. Head is the last to come up. Good, and look forward. Warrior 2 on the right side. Open your right leg up, keep it at a 90-degree angle. Extend your left leg out, grinding your heel into the floor. Your legs nice and strong here and engaged. Pull that belly button up and in, and extend your arms out. Looking over your right shoulder. First warrior, flip that palm up. And stretch back. Very nice. Feel that deep stretch there in our back. Our entire spine, still opening up the chest. You may look forward or gaze up at your palm, whichever is more comfortable. Good, and release. And let's tuck our elbow into our thigh, left arm up and over for extended side angle. Good. This is also very beneficial for opening up our hips and our hip flexors as well. Releasing that tension. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Release. Very nice. Slowly bring your legs together. Let's switch to the other side. Left leg out. Again, 90-degree angle. Extend your right foot out, grinding your heel into the mat. And again, for warrior 2, extend your arms out. Now looking over your left shoulder. We're activating all of our major muscle groups in our body. Very good. Let the warrior, reverse warrior, palm up. And let's extend out to the side. Very nice. Good. Inhale and exhale, release. Tuck your elbow into your thigh, right arm up and over. Very good. You may feel that one side may be more flexible or maybe a little tighter than the other. It's perfectly normal. Very nice. Giving each side some self-love today. Very nice. Inhale and exhale. Release. Bring it down. Nice. Gently bring your legs together. As we close, let's take one final inhale. Arms all the way up. Lengthen that spine. Good. And exhale. Very nice. Bring your hands together, heart center for prayer. Let's remind ourselves that we are open, supported, and worthy of love. Let's do it. Wonderful job. Thank you so much for joining me in this heart-opening chair yoga flow. Remember, showing up for yourself is an act of self-love. Be sure to check out my resources in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and try my standing version for a deeper practice. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more support on your wellness journey. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.